Hey folks, how are you doing? Hope you're well. My name is Richard Lake and I'm an ultra distance cyclist. In this video, my Sonda, this is Sonda Clibby TI, show you all around the bike later on, because as you can probably guess on the video title, I'm going to be wild camping this evening, so I'll be able to show you what I've brought all the way along with me. At the time of recording, this is the end of winter. It's a final training ride, winter 2022. It's a lovely warm day. Look, my arms are out. I've not seen my arms for once. So I'm getting out, making the most of the glorious weather, doing about 60 kilometers today down to a wild camp spot, and then 200k tomorrow, and then 200 kilometers on Sunday as well. It's a great day of training. So if that sounds interesting to you, stick around. So you might be wondering, why on earth am I doing 400 kilometers on a bike this weekend? Is it for fun? Am I training for something? It is the latter. 2 ultra long distance races this year. First, about 5 weeks from now, that's called Race Around the Netherlands, and later on in the summertime I will be competing in the transcontinental race. It's about 2,500 miles from Belgium in Western Europe all the way across to Bulgaria in a little over 2 weeks. It's a big ask, but I'm going out there for the adventure of it, to meet new people, see fantastic things, and hopefully eat some great food along the way as well. I love my food. Maybe able to tell, it's pretty flat around here. It's pretty windy. I'm here in Lincolnshire, in the Isle of Axholme. I'm going to be riding around the Isle this evening into Nottinghamshire, and most of this weekend will be spent in the county of Lincolnshire. On Sunday I'll be visiting the Lincolnshire Wolds as well as the Ancombe Valley, doing a few big tough climbs around there. So it's going to be a great weekend. Nice quiet country lanes, hopefully really good weather, or at least hopefully I won't be covering up too much. For anybody who's thinking about doing any bikepacking adventures or races, may as well just looked at the bike and gone, there's not lots of there. There's lots here that I won't be taking later on in the year. With this being a winter wild camp, top priority is to be comfortable on an evening time. So I need to be warm overnight. So yes, I bought some thicker clothes and things like that, but I have also bought some cooking gear as well, so I can have some nice warm meals around the campsite, around the campfire, whatever you like to call it. That is something that I will be ditching a little bit later in the year. It's important not to get carried away with the seasons. It is still only March as I'm recording this. Today may be warm, tomorrow or at least Sunday it could be freezing, who knows. Best to be prepared for all kinds of weather. Well, I've arrived at tonight's wild camp spot, and complete with washing machine facilities. I don't know how the hell this got down here. I'm on the NCN 64. It's a cycleway. Someone's had to carry that all the way down here somehow, maybe on a cargo bike, I don't know. Anyway, I wanted to show you the bike, talk about the bike a little bit more. As I already mentioned, it's a Sonda Clibby TI. This is the 2019 model. I got it in March 2020, ready for the TCR number 8. Obviously that's been delayed a couple of years. It's taking place this summer, so I've gone through lots of components and things. Talking of which, I've got quite a few new things on the bike for this ride. New outer chain ring, 1134 cassette, that's new chain as well. New pair of disc brake rotors, new disc pads, quite a lot of new investments ready for these races later this year. I'm going to show you what I've got here and talk a little bit about what I didn't really need to bring and I will be getting rid of later in the year. Bits of clothing. I've got a thick snood to put around my neck, a woolly hat, got a really kind of thick winterish jacket from Outkit. I could have bought something a little bit lighter. I've got a stove from Go Outdoors, along with some coffee sachets, using the water from my water bottles. Talking of which, I made an error on the way down here. The shop was closed. I was hoping to go there for some snacks and some water, things like that. So unfortunately I've only got what I've got. But it's fine. I've got some way fairer meals in there. I'm going to have one of those tonight, and I'm saving the other one for tomorrow night. Got some flat shoes. I'm going to put those on at the moment, in just a moment. Dangle mug. Brushing my teeth. A bit of lube for the cassette. Pair of gloves. The mat for the tent is in the top here. Of course, if you're going to put a tent up, you need tent pegs. So I'll put those on the top tube there. And the upper drawer bag. This is the 2 litre version. Got some food. Got a power bank. A couple spare inner tubes, and I do have a 3rd inner tube somewhere as well. In the cockpit area, I've got a bag. I was going to hopefully to fill with food and things. Obviously can't do that now, but at the moment it's got a head torch in there. This front bag is from rear strap, and this has got lots in it. They've got a complete tent in there, and I just managed to squeeze my season 1 sleeping bag in there as well. And well, it's not really meant to take all that stuff in there, because if you're familiar with the restrap bag, it's got this little thing on here, and the strap goes through all the way back. It's supposed to get it taut. Instead, I've got these Walla straps on top here, just hold everything in. So yeah, just trying to carry as much as I possibly can, but in a convenient way really. Also on the non-drive side, if I just move the bike out of the way here, I've got a tool water bottle cage thing, can't remember what you call them. Also on here I've got a pump as well. This is a Toe Peak one. It's the Mini Morph G, just in case. A couple cat eye, I think they're Volts, the one with the 5 LEDs onto the seat stays. Well, this is definitely a cat eye Volt. I think they don't think they're Volt, those rated ones. This is a cat eye Volt, this one on the front here. Yeah, if I do get up early and leave a little bit early, I'll be able to see what I'm doing. And of course, to finish everything off, quad lock for my phone as well. In terms of saddle, I use this Charge. It's the Pan model. It's brilliant for long distance rides, and has never let me down. Tyre wise, today I'm running Gator hard shells front and back. These are 32C, so these are my winter tyres, as you can imagine. I'm hoping to take those off soon, real soon. Of course it slowed me down an awful lot, but for now I'm glad I left them on. Right, it's time for me to get wrapped up warm and put my tent up, and yeah, look forward to the weekend of riding. If you want to watch me riding 400 kilometers, check out the next video. Any questions, don't forget to hit them down below, and I'll try and answer them the best as I can. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye bye.